Hi guys, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name's Arietta and today we're doing part 2 of my Crafties Diamond Art Kit unboxing. So you've already seen me unbox Dear and Delicate from Sybile, and if you haven't, I will pop a link up in the iCard and in the description so you can go back and take a look at that. So this is the second canvas that I've got from them. Let's get into it and have a look. Oh, this one's heavier. Oh, it's a little bit squished. Tiny little bit squished on the end, although thankfully poured glue, so I'm not expecting there to be any sort of problem with that. Let's get into it. I think part of the reason maybe is because the box is so much bigger than the canvas, and it's, oh, there's something in the end. Oh, ow. That's why. Completely. Right. Okay. We'll look at that in a minute. But yeah, so it's been a little bit squashed in the box, but that's fine. Let's get you out of this packaging. Yeah, it straightens right out, no problem at all. So let's have a look. She's going to look a little bit strange because of the symbols on her face and such, but actually she's going to look gorgeous when she's done. She's a little bigger than a snack, but at the same time not huge. So now, can I remember what she was called? I may have to just check. She is called Numiko, and she is also by Sybile, much like the last painting. She's this gorgeous ethereal mermaid, magical water spirity thing. I think she's so cute. I'll pop a picture because obviously it's difficult to tell here with the symbols. There's a fair variety here. We've got 28 colours. Same toolkit as before, so that's boat, 2 plates of wax, 2 pens, one with a 3-placer and one with, I think it was a 6 or 7. I think it's a 6. Yeah, so all lovely, everything you need. So we've got a poured glue canvas. I'm just gonna pull this back and straighten it out a little bit. There we go. Lovely. We're still gonna get a little bit of glare from the lights, but it just helps it to flatten out a little bit. Knock that up. Right, okay, we're done. She is super cute. Now, I seem to recall that this has special drills, so I'm just going to turn her over and we'll go through the drills and have a little look, see if we can find the special ones. In fact, I can see them from here. Bear with me while I rattle a little bit. Okay, so as seems to be standard with Crafties, you don't get the DMC on the drills, but there is DMC on the legend on the canvas. So once you've kitted up, it shouldn't be a problem. So this, obviously we're going to have these gorgeous pastels. So let's go through and have a look. Oh my goodness. Oh, and here we go. So we've got these lovely golden yellow ones. Yeah, more pastels. We've got, oh, pop of green. We've got mint, some dark blue, some royal blue, turquoise, this lovely sky blue, it's beautiful. Sort of pale peach, more green and pink in that bunch. And then in our second strip, we've got more green, another special one, lovely sort of bright sapphire blue, my favourite purples, lovely dark purples, more blues, every shade of blue, and then these are, I'm not entirely sure if these are, yeah, I think they are clear ones. I wasn't sure if they were clear or pale grey, but yeah, I think they are clear. So let's check out where the special ones go. So the clear ones are number 28, so that's number 1 on the canvas. I'm just going to bring you down a little bit. So number 1 on the canvas. Ah, I see. It is this sort of target symbol here. So that's, oh gosh, that's going to be sprinkled all the way through. So we've got it. It's going to be in her face. We've got it across the top, along the front of her dress / tail, in the sort of bubbles, sprinkled all the way through. So that's going to look lovely. So the blue one is number 22, which is, that's going to be, in her eyes, it's the less than symbol in her eyes. Or is it a crescent moon? I'm not sure. But yeah, so that one, the sort of bright blue symbol there. And that again, we've got it scattered through the bubbles throughout. And at the top even. And then finally, the last special drill was the golden yellow, which is number 5. And that is the letter T. So basically everything on the canvas that's yellow, absolutely everything on there that's yellow is going to be special, the special yellow drills. I think it's going to be beautiful. So this is listed as a 30 by 50. Let's get the measuring tape out and have a little look. I'm just going to bring you back up. So 30 by 50, and that is 50 exactly, and just over 30, just a tiny bit over. So interestingly, one of the things that's different on this canvas to the last one I looked at from Crafties is that on the legend for this one, you can see that they have marked with colour the special drills. That was different on the last canvas, it didn't have that. So whether it's just that this is a newer canvas and they've changed the way that they do their legend, I don't mind either way, but it's quite nice to have them picked out. So if we look at the symbols that they've used, nothing too unusual, but there are a couple that I've not seen before, although I don't think they're going to give me any trouble. There's this symbol here which is like a tally mark. That's an unusual one that I've not come across before. The only thing I guess that you would have to be aware of is comparing that to the hashtag, but they are different colours, so that shouldn't be a problem. Everything on here is so clear. The printing is absolutely sharp, no problems at all. Yeah, I'm just trying to see if there's any other unusual ones. The sort of target symbol that we looked at is the only other really unusual one. Other than that, it's letters and mostly sort of your standard keyboard symbols. Yeah, it's all looking really, really lovely. I think this is one that's really going to come to life when it's done. Every now and then you get a canvas that's a little harder to read. It's harder to read the image before the drills are placed. I quite like that, because then you really do see a difference as you're completing it, and you get a real sense of achievement. So I'm looking forward to this one. And you know, it's not huge. I mean, I can, you know, reach across it with 2 arms and pretty much cover the whole thing. So this is going to be quite a nice quick one to do for me. As for where I'm going to put it, I'm not sure. I just really liked the image, so that is pretty much the only reason that I chose it. I just thought it was super cute. It appealed to the little girl in my heart. So just to give you a little bit of information, so as I say, it's called Numiko and was £28 on the website. The other thing that was in the bag, in the box, sorry, that was potentially the reason it was a little squished, is that if you spend over a certain amount, I can't remember how much, I'll pop it down below, you get a free gift. So more rattly noises. And so, really cute little canvas bag. I really like that, that's adorable. So yeah, that was my freebie gift. And you get that, as I say, for spending a certain amount of money. Yeah, super cute, I love it. I wish I hadn't squished my painting, but other than that, it's all good. So I think for now we will leave this, and I will do a follow-up once I finished it and let you know how I get on with my purchases from Crafties. I do hope that you've enjoyed these videos. It's always nice to try out a new company. If you've tried them, do let me know. I do have a discount code that'll be down in the pinned comment and in the description for the video. If you would like to use that, please do go ahead, make use of it, try them out, and then let me know your experiences. In the meantime, I'll also pop a link to the other unboxing. So hopefully you've had fun looking at this canvas with me today. Please do consider leaving a like, subscribe, become a member of the Crafty Coven, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye.